In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your ChatGPT data. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can securely request a copy of your data for your records or compliance needs. First, open your preferred web browser and search for ChatGPT. When the results load, click the official ChatGPT website from OpenAI. If you see ads or lookalike sites, skip those and choose the trusted official result. You can also verify you're on the correct site by checking for a secure connection in your browser. Once the page loads, sign into your ChatGPT account. Use the same login method you normally use. You might be asked to complete a verification step, which is normal. After you're signed in, look for your profile area. Depending on your device and the current layout, this appears either at the bottom left on desktop or in the top right corner on some interfaces and mobile. Click your profile picture or your account name to open the account menu. From that menu, select Settings. This opens a panel where you can manage your preferences and privacy options. In the Settings area, navigate to the Data Controls tab. If you don't see it right away, glance through the tabs or sections until you find Data Controls. Interface labels can shift slightly over time, but the wording will be very similar. Within Data Controls, locate the Export Data section and click the Export button. This option prepares a copy of your data associated with ChatGPT, such as your conversations and account-level settings. Keep in mind that depending on how much you've used the product, the export file can be fairly large, and the system may need some time to assemble it. A confirmation window will pop up. Click Confirm Export to proceed. This step tells the system to create your export and send you a link when it's ready. You can continue using ChatGPT or close the tab. The export will be processed in the background. Next, check your email for a message from OpenAI with the subject line, ChatGPT, your data export is ready. If it doesn't appear right away, give it some time and check your spam or promotions folders. When the email arrives, it will include a secure link to download your archive. Only click links you trust, and if you're on a shared computer, consider downloading it to a secure location. Export links can expire, so it's best to act promptly. That's it. Your export request is complete, and your data will be available from the email once it's ready.